Hello children, welcome to your English language class. In in today's class children, we will be doing paragraph writing. So it is very easy to write down a paragraph and I'll be giving you few tips. So keep all these points in your mind. So there are few points which you have to keep in your mind while writing down a paragraph. The first point is paragraph consists of a single continuous writing. Means you start from first line and it can go up to 10 to 12 lines. So a paragraph consists of a single continuous writing, first line, second line, third line, and when we write down all the sentences together, that is a paragraph. The another important point you have to keep in your mind while writing down a paragraph is concentrate on the topic. Read the topic one time, two time, three times, and fix the topic in your mind. Then having got the clue words, so get the clue words somewhere, write them in your rough exercise book and start framing the sentences one by one. Write down first of all the clue words whichever related to the topic comes to your mind. Write them in your rough exercise notebook and start framing sentences. Make the first and the last sentences of your paragraph the most attractive one. है ना? First paragraph it should be related to the topic and the ending line it should also be related to the topic. And they should be the most attractive one. Then the ending of the paragraph should be proper. It should not be incomplete. Your paragraph should not look incomplete. The concluding line, ending line should be the best one. It should be proper. Then after you have written your paragraph, you check your punctuation marks like commas, full stops, and the most important thing, check your spellings after writing the paragraph. These are the points children which you have to keep in your mind while writing down a paragraph. So let us see. Today I have picked up a very interesting topic, that is my favorite animal, and I have picked my favorite animal as horse, and I have written few clue words also. So I'll be using these clue words for framing a paragraph of 10 to 12 lines. So it is very easy. First of all, the first line, of course, my favorite animal. The topic is my favorite animal. So we should read the topic one time, two times, three times. My favorite animal. My favorite animal is a horse. I will be using these first two words. It is very powerful and fast. So I have used the two words. Then horses are friendly and obedient. What kind of animals they are? They are friendly and obedient animals. In olden days, horses were used in wars and battles. Then horses have thin but strong legs which assist them in running at a fast pace. Then you can write down they have beautiful long hair on their tail and neck. Then besides these clue words you can add your own ideas, like they have sharp sense of smell and hearing which makes them apt for riding and battles. Then what kind of animals they are? They are herbivorous animals, which means they only eat vegetarian food, especially grass, grams, etc. They live in sheds, which are called stables. And you can add on they carry the people from one place to another in forest and hilly areas. You must have seen. Then we can find them in different sizes and colors like red, white, black, golden, brown, etc. So in the end you can write down I love horses the most. So this is all about the paragraph children. So in tomorrow's class we'll be doing the paragraph writing. So see you tomorrow. Bye.